everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Soumya and you're watching the Global Tales. Today I'm going to share something really important, that is basically seven nutrients that I consume regularly. So basically we always focus on balanced diet, and that is the most sustainable diet. Even if you're looking for weight loss or maintaining your diabetes, maintaining the cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, or talking about the thyroid, everybody has to maintain a balanced diet so that they can get the best possible results. So here we are going to talk about the balanced diet and what all nutrients are very important that I consume regularly in my diet, and I think you should know it as well. So yes, let's quickly get started. Talking about the first and foremost thing and following the most important nutrient and the macronutrient is the protein. So protein is really important, and your 60% of your diet should come from the protein sources. So be it having a protein shake or having some food that are rich in protein. If you're a non-vegetarian, you will have variety of sources, but if you are a vegetarian like me, it will take you some time to make sure that you know what are the different sources of protein available and how you can combine it in your diet. Now for vegetarians, because there are very less resources that are available for protein intake, you can have protein shakes and protein bars in order to meet your protein requirement for the daily basis, and make sure that you have good amount of it, like a protein shake after your workout, a protein bar in your snack, and definitely you can have some nuts like almonds or walnuts that can really help you get good amount of protein in your diet with combining the various sources. Fruits like banana and black eyed beans are really good sources of protein. Second very important thing is iron. Iron, we all know, that is really responsible for formulation of red blood cells in your body, and that transports oxygen. Red blood cells actually transport oxygen throughout your body. So in order to boost the oxygen capacity of your body, or in order to prevent all the diseases, you must have good iron intake. You must have good iron intake in order to make sure that you have good stamina as well. Spinach being one of the great source of iron, you can add this to your diet by various salads or in vegetable, and making sure that you have it. Along with that, green beans are really healthy. When you add this to your diet, you can get enough of iron, and making sure getting good iron intake is imperative for you to have better lung capacity, better stamina. So yes, add these green beans, spinach, beetroots, carrots to your diet in order to boost iron intake. Next important nutrient is folate. It is a kind of B vitamin, and man-made source or man-made form of folate is called folic acid. Folate is also known as folacin or vitamin B9, and it's very important for the formulation of, again, red blood cell and boosting your stamina, giving you ample amount of energy and very variety of tasks that it performs. So you should have a good amount of folic acid in your diet, and you can consume good amount of folic acid by boosting its intake through variety of sources. Sources like cornflakes and broccoli, avocados can be a real good source of folic acid and folate for your diet, and make sure that you add this in one way or the other to get enough of folacin and meet that requirement in order to boost stamina. Talking about vitamin C, I make sure that I have a good amount of vitamin C in my diet. You all know it helps in boosting immunity, protecting your cells, and really important for your body to function well, to be protected all the time. So yes, vitamin C and its sources plays a very important role in your diet. Lemon being one of the greatest source of vitamin C really helps in boosting immunity. Make sure that you add lemon into your diet in one way or the other. Either you add it to your salads or you add it to your water, and consume this detox water throughout the day. It can be a great source of vitamin C, boosting your immunity, great antioxidant for your body, for your skin. So yes, make sure of adding this detox water in your regular diet.
Along with that, make sure that you have vitamin C fruits in your diet, because that can be really helpful, like oranges, berries. They can are full of packed with antioxidants, great source of vitamin C, especially oranges. So yes, add them to your diet to get enough of vitamin C.
Next up is calcium. Now we all know that the most common problem that women face after their 30 is the lack of calcium and vitamin D in their body. So it's important that you start thinking about your calcium levels from now itself, because they really help your bones to keep in place, your joints in place. Otherwise you'll see that the back pain, knee pain that you develop over a course of time. So it's important to keep your bones healthy. So have to make sure that you have good amount of calcium in your diet with good amount of calcium sources around. So it's very important to have a good amount of calcium in your diet.
Very few of us know that okra, that's bhindi, is a great source of calcium. Along with that, almond milk, cow milk, or coconut milk can be a great source of calcium too. So yes, oatmeal, when you consume it regularly in your breakfast, you can get a boost in your calcium. So make sure that you add this to your diet as a great source of calcium. Along with that, you can add bananas, because they are one of the fruits that are high in vitamin A and calcium.
Next up is healthy carbs and fats. We always think that fats and carbs are not good for your body, it will make you put on weight. It is important to know how to bifurcate between the bad carbs or bad fat and the healthy fats and healthy carbs. Now when we talk about bad fat, bad carbs, is where the first thing that comes to your mind should be junk food, fried food, or processed food. When I say about healthy fats and carbs, it is related to good oil, good vegetable oil, good plant-based oil. It's related to good nuts that gives you ample amount of energy to sustain throughout the day, and it's really important for your body to function well, all the cells to function well. So yes, healthy fats and carbs are really important for your body.
All plant-based oils are really healthy, like olive oil or flaxseed oil, avocado oil, or these seeds like sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. They act as a really healthy carbs and fats that can be given to your body.
Last but not the least, water. Water is something we are made up of, and it's very important for us to consume good amount of water, have a good water intake throughout the day. And I understand that having just water, like normal water, becomes difficult throughout the day. It is tasteless, it's odorless. So actually incorporate different ways of consuming water. You can have lemon water, you can have detox drink, you can have green tea. Just make sure that you are hydrated all the time. That's the most important thing. So yes, make sure that you have a good water intake throughout the day, so that your skin functions well, your body functions well, and you have lots of energy to do rest of the things throughout the day.
Green tea is a great source of antioxidant, very low in caffeine, so really can help your body stay hydrated throughout the day when you consume them. And along with that, make sure that you have a good water intake. And yes, making sure of having good water intake really helps in your body in order to fight many other problems, like getting rid of all the bad toxins and staying hydrated. Along with that, you can always have detox water like lemon water, and be having lots and lots of liquid that keeps you hydrated, keeps your skin glowing at all the time, and keeping your body fresh and active.
So yes, that's it for this video. I hope you will find it useful. If you did, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. These are a few important nutrients that you should always include in your diet in order to have a balanced diet, in order to live a life that's healthy and fit for a longer period of time. So yes, I hope you will like this video. If you did, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon along to never miss any update. And I really love you all. Bye-bye. Stay fit, stay happy.